Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into learning how to integrate Slack with Keep for optimal note management. Let's get started. Our first step is to open up Slack and find the app directory. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign next to Apps on the left sidebar. We're doing this because Slack's app directory is where we'll find the Keep integration. Next, in the app directory, we're going to search for Keep. Once you find it, click on Add to integrate it with your Slack workspace. The reason we do this is that this action will seamlessly link Keep to your Slack, allowing you to manage your notes without leaving the chat environment. Now that we've done that, let's move on to configuring the integration. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Do that now. This helps us because it allows Slack to access your Google Keep notes. Once you've signed in, you'll need to give Slack the necessary permissions to access and manage your Keep notes. Don't worry, this is a standard part of the integration process. The final step is to use the command /keep in any of your Slack channels or direct messages to create or access your notes. For instance, you could type /keep meeting notes to pull up all notes tagged with meeting. This is a crucial step as it helps you to efficiently manage your notes right within your Slack workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Keep. Now, you can manage your notes without leaving your conversation, improving your productivity and workflow. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep making the most out of your tools.